How we doing, guys? I'm Reiss. I'm the beverage director here at Distillery. Here today to whip up one of our all-time best-selling cocktails. One of my favorite cocktails, our salted maple old fashioned. To start with this cocktail, just as in any old fashioned, we're going to start with our base. 2 ounces of our bourbon whiskey finished in maple syrup barrels. All right. Next, we're going to add our sweetener, which is the counterpart of that bourbon whiskey finished in the maple syrup barrel. Maple syrup finished in a bourbon whiskey barrel. So we do a 1/4 ounce of that. We don't want things too sweet. Once we've got our syrup in there, we're going to add our final ingredient, 3 dashes of Ironfish Distillery Aromatic bitters. So give it a quick stir on some ice. Alrighty, throw a nice spherical ice cube in there. Top of the cocktail. Every good cocktail deserves a garnish. This one's so darn good, it gets 2. We're gonna start out with a nice twist of orange, brighten up all those flavors. And then last but not least, just a nice little finishing pinch with some large flaked sea salt. And there you have a salted maple old fashioned. We also have this in a bottle. You can swing by your local market, grab yourself a bottle, throw it over some ice, and you're ready to go.